Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Google Cloud step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your project's specific needs and goals. Evaluate the resources you currently have and determine what additional capabilities you require. Sign up for a Google Cloud account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the Google Cloud Console. Create a project in the Google Cloud Console to act as your workspace. Enable necessary APIs and services that align with your project's requirements. Set up billing details to ensure uninterrupted access to resources. Assess your data storage needs and choose the appropriate Google Cloud storage option. If you're working with a web application, consider using Google App Engine for deployment. For more control, explore Google Kubernetes Engine for containerized applications. Incorporate Cloud Pub/Sub for reliable messaging if your application requires real-time processing. Implement Google Cloud Functions for running event-driven code without provisioning servers. Set up identity and access management to define who can access and manage resources. As your usage grows, monitor your resource consumption using Google Cloud Monitoring. Utilize auto-scaling features to automatically adjust resources based on traffic demands. Regularly review and optimize costs using Google Cloud's pricing calculator and budget alerts. Leverage Google Cloud's machine learning tools if your project requires advanced analytics. Continue to iterate on your project, gathering feedback and making adjustments as needed. Stay informed about new features and services offered by Google Cloud to enhance your scaling strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.